woke up not too long ago, maybe about an hour or two. I've just ironed my daughter's uniform. I need to go wake her up because it's almost time for her to get ready to go to school. Well, she's in nursery, but she goes to school. So I just need to quickly go sort her out. I need to also tidy up the house before. Are you excited? I've got someone here with me. As always, the moment I get up, he's ready to be up as well. Saying hello, Zane. Okay, so I need to go sort her out, and then I would get myself ready, drop her off, and then go into my studio to start sorting things out for today. So I have arranged DHL and DPD pickup about 2 p.m. ish. One is 2:30 p.m. and it's just about, what's the time now? It's 7:50 now. So I need to get things going as quickly as possible because this is one of those days where I do not have any help at all. So that means I need to get everything sorted myself. So that means I need to get everything sorted myself and as quickly as I can get it done. So we'll get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm just on my way to, whew, that's a lot of noise. Right, so I'm just on my way to get my daughter to school and
the chicken pox go away in the sunshine.
so she's been off for a week, so the whole of last week. She was home with me because she had chicken, according to her, chicken pops. Sorry, chicken pops. So this is the first time we're coming out in over 7 days. And everyone's car is parked in front of their houses, almost like nothing is happening today. I'm wondering, is this not a Monday today? Or is it a Saturday or Sunday? Anyways, we'll see when we get to the front of the school because it's almost Easter break. So I think a lot of schools might have closed already. We'll see. Okay guys, so I've just dropped my daughter off in school and this one has literally cried the whole time. Are you smiling now? Are you smiling, Zane? So I just need to make myself breakfast and tidy up the house before I do what I need to do. I think it's just gone after 9 now, so I still have 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. I still have 5 hours. I'll just call it 4.5 hours to get everything ready and prepped before the courier guys come around. But I've still got loads to do in this house because everything needs to be blitzed. I need to tidy them up. I need to feed him because I think he's meant to be sleeping at this time, but he wants me to carry him so he can sleep. So we're going to do that now. Carry him and get him to sleep, and then I can crack on with the rest of my day. Yeah, Zane, do you agree with that? Okay, guys. Okay guys, so after one long hour trying to get things out, I have finally managed to bring out all the things I plan to ship today. I've got a few more, I think about 3 more. So I had a delivery on Friday last week. It's Monday today, by the way, and my Mondays are always quite busy, and because it's that busy, I always try to get my assistant in today, but obviously she couldn't make it in today, so I have to get everything done myself, with also trying to fit this one in between. I think he's quite hungry now. Right, so I've got, so the delivery that came over the weekend on Friday, I'll need to open them up. So the delivery that came on Friday, I'll need to open the box up and bring out 2 more outfits that I would want to get shipped today. So when all that is done, I would start packaging all these things and getting everything ready for the courier guys. Currently, it's 11 o'clock now, so I have still got not long to go now, 2.5 hours. See how quickly the time goes by? Right, so I'm just going to make this quite quickly, as quickly as I can get things done. Let's get into it. But first of all, I need to move this young man to my back. I'll probably go feed him first and then come back and sort the rest of the things out. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so I'm just getting my baby fed before. Ooh, that's a lot of distraction. Ooh. This thing literally distracts him. Wait. Okay, so I'm just trying to get him fed before I go pick up my daughter from nursery. Can you focus, please? And I'm also starving. I need to eat. I'm not talking to you. Alright, so what are you doing? Distraction. Okay, I'll need to focus and get him to eat this, drink this milk rather, so I can go get other things sorted. Okay, so I've just fed him and I just need to get something for myself to eat. I'm having a Nigerian snack today, and it's called So I'm having Nigerian meat pie and juice for lunch. I was planning to have rice, but I'm like, if I have rice now, what am I going to have for dinner? And I don't want to, I'm trying to reduce the things I'm eating. I don't know if meat pie might be like a whole meal, but yeah, that's what we're having. So that's what we're having now, and before I go pick my, so that's what we're having now. Okay guys, so I've done like half of the things I need to get done today to get my orders shipped out. So I have prepped all the labels I need for DHL and DPD. I just need to print them out, excuse me. Okay, so I just need to print out my DHL and DPD labels, and then I need to start packing up all the orders I've got on here. I'm currently carrying my baby. He's still sleeping, thank God. So I need to back him just so I can get things done quite quickly. So I literally have, it's almost 12:30 now, and I'm supposed to go pick up my daughter in 2 hours time, and I haven't packed one single thing. So I will try and do this as quickly as I can, because I also need to go to the post office. So I tend to ship with DHL with international shipments, international priority shipments, and some non-priority orders as well. And with DPD. I do like local orders within the UK, both priority and standard. I just do them with DPD. And then the ones in both international and local that are within a particular range, I tend to do them with Royal Mail. So I just kind of pick and choose what I send with what, depending on the cost of the item and how big it is and or whatnot. So that being said, because I've got very limited time and I'm just still rambling on, I would back this one and get things going quite quickly. When backing a baby, you also need 2 blankets just to make it a bit more secure. Like, backing a baby is like a lifesaver. What would I do if I could back a baby? Nothing. Literally. He's still sleeping. So I've just been to the post office. I have dropped off the orders I need to ship via Royal Mail. I've also had DHL and DPD pick up today as well. So I've managed to ship quite a lot of things today. I've also picked up my daughter from school and managed to do quite a lot of things. So I'm just on my way back home. Can I hear myself, Zoe? I'm just on my way back home now, and I was hoping to get a few more things done in my studio, but it's not looking like that's going to happen because I think I've had enough for one day. So everything else would have to be done tomorrow, or I'll see how I'm feeling like. I've got some things I need to do online, so I'll probably just focus on that for the rest of the day. And I also need to edit this video to post. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please remember to click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn on your notifications so when I post any upcoming videos you'll get notified. And I will see you in the next one. And that's a wrap from me and my clan. Say bye, Zoe.
Bye-bye, you queen.
Bye-bye what?
Queen, you queen.
Oh, Queens. Oh, hello there. You saying bye, Zane?
Bye-bye. See you later. And the boys and girls are not here.
Okay.